Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Delaware Bay, including Reedy Point, Woodland Beach, Cross Ledge Light, East Point, Fortesk Beach, 14-foot Bank Light, Miami Light, Sea Breeze and Ship John Shoal Light, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:45 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms producing strong winds 34 knots or greater from 6 nautical miles southwest of Reedy Point to 8 nautical miles south of 14-foot Bank Light, or from 5 nautical miles west of Stony Point to 5 nautical miles west of Brown Shoal Light. Moving northeast at 20 knots. These strong thunderstorms will be near over 14-foot Bank Light by 4 p.m. over Ship John Shoal Light, Cross Ledge Light and Reedy Point by 4:05 p.m. over Miami Light by 4:10 p.m. over Sea Breeze by 4:15 p.m. over Fortesk Beach by 4:25 p.m. over East Point by 4:40 p.m. Sailors can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes.
This is Normal Weather Radio.